friends. So today's kind of fun. So today's what I call Khristina Day, which is a day that we celebrate all the fun stuff that goes on at Redefine Creative, Secret Not Secret Kit Club, Creative Cuts Club, etc. So Khristina Sorge runs along with all of those things, and it's on the 9th of the month. So what I thought I would do, and we talked about it in a recent crop, so a bunch of ladies are going to be jumping in, is she does a 10-item challenge in her, in the crops. And it changes monthly, and I love the challenge because it gets us to use more of our little bits and pieces up. So let me tell you what we are using this month. Thread, sequins, Nuvo drops, vellum, punches, brads, enamel dots, florals, wood veneer, and pattern paper. So I need to use that. And then what I thought I would also do is use this sketch right here. This is not the most recent. It's going to be from the week before. There's a sketch that comes out every Thursday night. So I'm going to go ahead and use this with this photo that my husband sent me of my two dogs out on the porch in a little bit of sun in October. And I'll come back and show you how it all worked out. Okay, wish me luck. All right, my friends, I finished this up and I want to take you through it a little bit. So I was able to get the thread on. It's behind my photo, and I just used this kind of by We Are Memory Keepers, and it's a cotton thread, kind of thick. I got it in my Mind the Scrap kit from a month, 2 months ago, something like that. Sequins, I have these self-adhesive aqua turquoisey color sequins. Nuvo drops, they're still drying, so you know what, I'm gonna get this for a pointer. I have these Nuvo drops here, which are still drying, and they're the crystal drops, which seem to give me the best little drop. And let's see, what color did I use? I used red berry, and it is showing up nicely against the red. I'm sorry, against the black. I wasn't sure if it was going to show up correctly. Vellum, I have vellum here for the title, as well as these two hearts, and those are from Maggie Holmes. Which one is it? You know, the carnival one. Punches, I used a punch twice here to get my tabs, and the paper that you see here, here, it's all from the Amy Tangerine line. Is it called Slice of Life? I think it's Slice of Life. Brads. I gotta get a couple brads on. All right, I'll get that in 1 second. Enamel dots. I used these right here. These are Dear Lizzie, and they're so cute. I have this little one here, and there's another one hiding. Oh, right here for my enamel bits. Florals, that's in my punch right here. Wood veneer, I have this heart and this heart, and clearly there's plenty of pattern paper. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop in just a couple of brads, which, let's see, what do I have right here? I have a little brad stack. So let's see what I can get in here that would work. I think this yellow set's really good. These are Love and Lemon, and I picked them up at Tuesday morning, so those look good. See, I wish brads had more gold around them. I know it really doesn't matter, but that's what I like. I know. Not a big deal. You know what? I kind of like the simplicity of these. So I'm going to get some of these out. This is Simple Stories Domestic Bliss. So let me get a bright turquoise out, because the metal on these is kind of, do you see that? It's kind of a dull color. So it's not like it's showcasing the metal, it's showcasing the enamel or the brad more than anything. So I have that one. I like the yellow and I like the green. Okay, so we're gonna do that, and I will back them with, trying to use up this little roll of washi right now. Do you guys have a roll of washi that you keep on your desk? You know, I use it for all kinds of things. Like I mark my video area on my desk, or I actually use it to hang up photos or pictures on the wall as well. All right, let me put these back, and I'm going to come back to you and get my brads in. I can't believe I almost forgot my brads. Okay, so This photo here, I did tell you that my husband went ahead and sent it to me. It's just my dogs on the porch doing their best life because they're lucky, spoiled little puppies. Do I want to put it right there? It's not really showing. Oh, yes, big struggles. Okay, I like this one going right there. Oh, and then I went ahead, I thought I finished this off with some Heidi Swap gold, or Color Shine in Gold, just because in the sketch I was using, yeah, that's really cute. It looked like, you know, the splatty bits, but I didn't want to, well, I wanted to be able to use all the other elements as well in my mixa of all of the, how about right here? In my mix of the Nouveau and enamels and sequins and all that. So this sketch kind of was really good for allowing me to mix and match so much. So that was kind of a win. And you guys, this is vintage. We Are Memory Keepers poker tool from back in the day. I think I had it back when I used to do a lot of, gosh, what were those called? You know, with the hammer, the pounding. Let's see. Okay, so I have that. Do I need to get this yellow one on? Here. I kind of like it. I think it's, let's see, I don't want them right up from each other, so maybe right there. Okay, I like the idea of it kind of being by this wonder word, probably because they are the complementary color thing, that indigo-y purple and this yellow. All right, so I'm not going to be able to flip it over right now to get my washi on because I've got wet Nouveau and I've got wet Color Shine on. So we're going to wait on that. But this is my ever so up close and personal sketch layout / Khristina Day layout using the 10 items. So I think it came out really well. Hope you liked it. Go ahead and ask any questions that you have down below. Like and subscribe if you'd like to watch more of my videos or, you know, have them come up on your feed. And I know there's a bunch of people doing different layouts and process videos and all that kind of stuff for the 9th. So come back and check it out and take a look at what everybody else is doing. We'll see you later, friends. Bye-bye.